Hello everyone, my name is Chef Jyoti and I'm back with the new recipe of the week. बारिश में गर्मा गर्म खाना खाना किसे नहीं पसंद? But when you talk about street side and restaurants, you are not sure about the hygiene. But now you don't have to worry because we have our Chef Magic with us. Because with Chef Magic, we can create Indian, international and many more recipes. So to create the magic, let's see what is the new recipe update of the week. My Wonderchef app is well connected to the Chef Magic. Let's go to the cloud recipes, click new tab, and today's new recipe update is Nasi Goreng. Nasi Goreng is a fried rice originated from Indonesia. It has some distinct aroma and sweet and spicy flavor. According to the ingredient list, मेरी tray मैंने ready कर ली है. In the first step, we have to attach a multifunction blade. I have already attached a multifunction blade. Now I'll add 80 grams of onions, 4 to 5 of garlic, and 4 Thai red chilies. And click OK. In the next step, we have to scrape down the ingredients and change multifunction blade to saute blade. With the help of the tissue, I have removed the multifunction blade and it's very easy to remove it. Now I'll attach the saute blade. After attaching the saute blade, I'll add 1.5 teaspoon of oil. In the next step, we'll add thinly sliced chicken, 200 grams of chicken. As the chicken is sauteed, we'll add sweet soya sauce. In the next step, I'll add our cooked rice. And 1 tablespoon of sambal paste. And click OK. In the next step, we'll add the seasoning. 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. You can check the seasoning and add some sauce as per your taste. The cooking is finished and Nasi Goreng is ready to serve with fried egg.